So, as of 22 Feb 2025, here are some Power BI or data analysis related jobs and internships in United States that you can see and apply. So, I will provide a link to this particular search on LinkedIn. Here you can see we have CRM data analyst, and for CRM data analyst they have vacancy in Florida and United States, and it was posted 2 weeks ago. Here you can see the required skills is something we are particularly focusing on. So experience with SQL and or Power BI is helpful, and then proven experience with HubSpot marketing and Sales Hub certifications. So this is a remote job. Then they are also requiring analyst intern. This is another job in Premier Inc. Here, summer analysts work collaboratively with a team of highly qualified analysts. Other details you can read here. So here you can see preferred qualifications, and you must have Excel, PowerPoint, Tableau, SQL, statistical tool, R, Python, SAS based requirements are there. For learning them, we have dedicated tutorials on our channel, which I will provide. For Excel, we have Tableau, we have SQL, and R Python we have. Then they also have Weber Shandwick in Washington DC business analyst intern summer 2025. For that job was posted 2 weeks ago. They need education as bachelor's degree available 40 hours a week and familiarity with development in media industry. You can see here basic understanding of statistics, digital analytics, data engineering, and data visualization, and focus on how to integrate analytics into marketing and communication strategies. So this is something that you can check. So all these skills are needed. Other skills you can check, but data analysis is related skills is something that you can see the video playlist on our channels itself. Then they also have business analytics intern here. So here proficiency in Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and other analytical tools. And similarly, this is analytics summer intern. Here, let's try to see the skills. So nice to have SQL, Python, Pandas, R, and AWS, Google Cloud, Tableau, Jira, GitHub. It's more like a business analyst requirement here, and experience with self-service tools like Adobe or Google Analytics. So for Google Analytics, SQL, Python, Pandas, and R, we have some tutorials, and for Tableau, we have a complete tutorial. So here are some job requirements. I will share this URL in the description so that if you are searching for internships or jobs related to Power BI in United States, you can check here.